This is the Macho Man Randy Savage of meatball subs, and these meatballs make great meal prep. They'll feed you for an entire week, or they can be frozen for. Start out by mixing in a bowl your seasoned binder mix. This is breadcrumbs, some milk, chili flakes, salt, and oregano. And what most people miss about meatballs is that it's just as much about the texture as it is about the flavor. So if you dice a boatload of garlic and onions and saute those up before adding them to the meatball mixture, it adds a new level of bite and dimension. Add in a bunch of fresh parsley all chopped up and all your beef. I use about 2.6 kilos here. I mixed it all together, and now I'm gonna use a cookie scoop to just evenly portion out all my beef. Squeezing the meatballs like this before you bake them prevents breakage and again improves the texture. Bake them nice and hot so they get a very brown crust. And then I just heat up some tomato sauce and let the meatballs come up to temp in there. I warm up my Portuguese roll, coat it in tomato sauce, and tuck my 3 meatballs nicely in there before topping with some extra sauce, Parmesan, and pepper. Hey, if you like this high protein video, you should check out our beef and broccoli video because that recipe's awesome too.